Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a subscriber, thanks very much. If not, consider hitting the subscribe button and I've let the cat out of the bag, haven't I? Oh well, yeah, it's arrived, my new Tudor. My 12th Tudor, would you believe? Hopefully it's the last one. Yeah, it arrived today. This is an unboxing video, but how the hell did he get it on his wrist before he unwrapped it? Well, that's the magic of television, isn't it? First impressions, I really like the watch. It is a lot more legible than the Panda I used to own. This reverse Panda is amazing. It's still a chunky watch, mind. Look at the size of that beast. It is 14.4 millimeters thick, with a strap width, lug to lug strap width, 22 millimeters. This is not for the small wristed, I can assure you. I wanted the watch. I didn't want to pay MSRP, and I found out that the Swiss Link does a sourcing service. And I said, can you get me one for around 3K? And it took them a week, but yeah. Saturday got the call, paid for it on Saturday. Tuesday morning, the watch arrived. What you're about to see is the live unboxing video. Now, how is that possible when I'm already wearing the watch? Well, that's the magic of television, isn't it, guys? One last thing. I want to give the Swiss Link a thumbs up for wrapping. Oh my God, was that watch perfectly wrapped? Without further ado, let's get into my unboxing video. Somebody's learned new camera tricks. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Welcome to the Swiss Link. We are delighted to count you among our customers. Thank you for trusting us. This is beautifully packaged. The bubble wrap alone is worth the price of the admission. Ooh, the excitement is building. I cannot wait to see what's in the box. Ooh, that's nice. Tudor pouch. Come on, Brendan, get on with it. We haven't got all day. Here we go, and more packaging. My 12th Tudor. I have saved the best till last. The Black Bay Chrono, reference number M79360N -001. The reverse Panda, caliber M35813, with a chronograph function, self-winding mechanical chronograph movement with bi-directional rotor system, 70-hour power reserve, riveted steel bracelet with polished and satin finish with folding clasp and safety catch. This bracelet belongs in garbage. Domed sapphire crystal glass, fixed 316L steel bezel with matte black anodized aluminium disc with tachymeter scale and silver markings. The watch is waterproof to 200 meters, 660 feet. The case is 14.4 millimeters thick. Shazam! Both pin pushers are screw down and the winder is a screw down, which gives the watch its super waterproofnessisms. Automatic movement, screw down crown, caliber MT5831. You might want to do a bit of research, guys, because that is a B01 movement. B for Breitling. This watch has a 70-hour power reserve. Screw down crown with screw down pushers at 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, just in case you don't know what time that is. To start the chronograph, you press the 2 p.m. pusher. To pause the chronograph, you press the 2 p.m. pusher again. To restart the chronograph, guess what? You press the 2 p.m. pusher again. To reset the chronograph, guess what? You press the 4 p.m. pusher. Couldn't be simpler, and yes, I sped up this part of the video. Even though it's an aluminium bezel, I think this watch is a fantastic daily tour watch. 200 meters water resistant with screw down pushers and crown. That makes this watch almost bulletproof. With the white classic snowflake hands and the white subdials, this watch is perfect. And then we go on to this god-awful bracelet. Oh my god, look at this bracelet. I'm feeling sick. Who designed this useless bracelet? I mean, an Omega Seamaster Diver 300M has got terrible bracelet reviews, but it kicks arse when you compare the Omega bracelet to this Tudor bracelet. No micro adjustment on the clasp and no half links. Come on, Tudor, what are you thinking? I know you've got the T-fit clasp. Why don't you put it on all your watches? So there we have it, guys. We have one spare link and a second spare link. That's why you trust the dealer, not the watch, guys. What's this? Is this a special card? Oh, it's a business card from the Swiss Link. I've never heard of them before. Should give them a call next time I want to buy myself a luxury wristwatch. Danny, I'll be calling you soon. Joking aside, you'd expect to see a card with the watch, and thanks to the Swiss Link, they have covered the card serial number to protect the anonymity of the watch, and you get 3 booklets, which I have never ever looked at. That's what you should expect when you're buying a Tudor wristwatch. This is my Submariner. I've spoken about it in the past, and as you can see, I'm wearing it on an Artem Hydroflex grey hybrid FKM watch strap with grey stitching. That is what I wear the watch on, and I thought it'd be interesting to show you a little bit about Artem straps while we're doing this video. I've tried on other straps in the past, but I'm finding that the Artem are the most comfortable. I'm finding that the HydraFlex is strangely even more comfortable. Now it is their premium strap, guys, and it will cost you £170. But look how well finished the strap is. Now I do have a perfect bracelet for this Rolex, but I find the Artem HydraFlex strap more comfortable to wear as a daily basis. Now Artem have sent me 2 of their latest HydraFlex straps. One is khaki green with orange stitching and one is khaki green with green stitching. That's how easy it is to remove the strap, guys. It literally takes seconds without any tools. Let me just show you this quickly. I take the strap and I dip it in water. As you can see, it's completely waterproof. The HydraFlex range by Artem is their premium of strap design, created for those who demand unparalleled craftsmanship in their watches and watch accessories. This flagship model blends our premium FKM rubber with our signature synthetic embossed material, creating a completely vegan construction that's as aesthetically pleasing as it is comfortable. Look how easy it is to put this brand new Artem HydraFlex strap straight on to a 20-year-old Rolex Submariner. You guys all know me, you know I'm not a fan of pin buckles, but at the moment the best option for the HydraFlex is to get it on a pin buckle. It's also the cheapest option, guys. Lastly, the HydraFlex strap is immediately comfortable. There is no breaking in process and they go with any wristwatch. They have all sizes, they even do a 22 for my new watch. However, I don't happen to have one to hand to show you. The watch fits pretty good, already having 2 links removed, but I'm pretty sure I need to take off one more link. My wrist is 6 3/4 inches. I'm not knocking the watch, my wrists have gotten smaller over the past 2 years through exercise and diet, and this by any means is not a small watch, guys. Still fits, but it may be too big for my wrist. It is a chunky monkey. Let's have one more look at it upside down, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Look at that flat side. Why couldn't they have put a bit more of a curve on that watch? I do not know, but that's what they chose to do. That is a deal breaker for most people buying a Tudor, guys. Looking at the watch, I'm going to take a link from 6 o'clock. As you can see, it's too loose. If you can get 2 fingers in, it's too loose, guys. I think that applies to everything in life. What I'm about to do is very difficult. I'm about to size a bracelet with my eyes closed. I'm going to use the force, guys. I am the force is with me. I am the force is with me. I am the force is with me. Use the force, guys. Only joking. Don't try this at home. I've been doing this for years. Most people would struggle to do what I just did. As you are about to see, it is now too tight. So what do? You can't get a finger in. It is too tight. You have to be able to get one finger in, guys. So again, I'm going to use the force and I'm going to move the pin up one. Again, Tudor, what were you thinking? I'm going to use the force for this one, and again I'm going to close my eyes. The force is with me. I am the force. The force is with me. I am the force. And if this works first time, I am the luckiest Irishman in the world. There you go, guys. Again, years of experience there, guys. And where are we up to now? Yeah, I think we're there. Can I get a finger in? Let's have a look. Just about. Yeah. I still have one more pin move if it's too tight, and after that we are screwed. Yeah, just about get my finger in. That'll do for now. That is one watch sized and on the wrist.